The Family Part 1.
How is your family?
They are good. How is yours?
Also good. My brother just got married.
That is great. Does he have children?
Yes, I have one nephew.
How are your children?
They are very busy. They are at university.
And how is your wife?
Good, I think. She just started a new job.
That sounds great.
The Family Part 2.
Tell me about your family.
I have a pretty big family, 2 brothers and 1 sister, and many cousins. How about you?
Mine is small. I'm an only child, and only my mother has a sister, my aunt, Hannah. What do your siblings do?
My one brother, Steve, works as an accountant. My other brother, David, is a teacher, and my sister, Han, works in finance.
I didn't know your sister worked in finance. Where does she live?
She just moved away to Australia with her husband and my niece.
She has a child already. How old is she?
She is my older sister and quite a bit older than me. She turned 32 this year.
I always wanted a big sister. Do you guys look alike?
Not really my siblings. All have dark hair and blue eyes. They take after my father. I look like my mom with her black hair and green eyes.
I look like my mom, too. Do you want to see a picture?
Sure, I would love to.
Watching TV. Do you like watching TV? It depends on the TV show, but generally, yes. Why do you ask? I was just wondering if you would like to watch the new season of Friends. Maybe. I didn't really like the last season. I heard this one is supposed to be really good. I think you should give it another go. Okay, let's do it. Is it on TV or online via a streaming service? It's on a streaming service. We can watch it whenever you are free. That's great. I really prefer watching shows online. The commercials on TV are really long and annoying. Perfect. We are all set then. I'll come by later. See you later then.
Babies. Have you heard? Sarah is pregnant again.
I had no idea. That's great. How far along is she?
She's in the 2nd trimester, I think. I haven't seen her in the last couple of weeks.
Do they already know if it's going to be a boy or a girl?
They want to keep it a surprise.
That's exciting. They already have a little girl, right?
Yes. She just turned 2 in March. I bet she will be really excited to get a sibling soon.
I remember when my kids were that young, they kept us up all night.
Mine too, and Sarah won't be getting more sleep anytime soon either.
We should offer to babysit her daughter for a night. That way she can take some time off.
Good idea. She can come over to my place for a sleepover.
I'll call Sarah tomorrow and offer some help.
Sports. What do you think about being more active, James?
Probably not a bad idea. What were you thinking?
Maybe taking up a new sport, something that keeps me active and is fun.
A sport like playing football or basketball.
Something like that, but I'm terrible at both of them.
How about skiing or snowboarding? Winter is coming and I can ski. I could teach you.
Skiing sounds fun, but it's expensive with all the equipment and lift passes, right?
It's definitely not a cheap hobby. Maybe we could go swimming. You can do it year-round.
That's a great idea. There is a pool close by, and in the summer we can go to the local lake.
All right, David. Then it's settled. We are going swimming next week.
Favorites. What is your favorite season?
Why are you asking? It's winter. I like the snow and skiing.
I just want to get to know you better. What is your favorite food?
That is a hard one. I love pasta but also pizza.
And what about movies?
That's an easy one. I love Pulp Fiction.
I really like that one too. What is your favorite book?
I think 1984 inches, because it gives you a lot to think about.
And your favorite sport?
I like swimming and being in the water a lot.
Okay, one last one and then you've answered enough. What's your favorite time of the day?
I have never thought about that, but I guess the morning. Everything is still quiet, and sunrises are beautiful to watch.
Relaxing. What do you like to do to relax after a hard day at work? Usually I do nothing after work and watch TV, but I have recently been thinking about meditation. Have you ever tried it? Yes, I do yoga twice a week. It really helps me to calm down and relax. How long have you been doing that? A little more than a year now. It's not all meditation, but you could come with me next week, if you would like to try it. I'm not sure if I would like to do yoga with other people. That's okay. Let me know if you change your mind. Will do. Maybe for now I'll just start with some short walks on the beach. That sounds great too. You should try South Beach.